Imagine starting a new year with amazing English, how it would be. Yes, guys, if you really want to improve your speaking skills before the 2026, then you are on the right place. I just want you to watch this video till the end, then I will show you the roadmap which you can follow to improve your speaking skills. You know what? English is not just a language, it is the way to change your personality. So if you are new on my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you love, like or understand my video, then please like it and share it with your friends. So let's start the video and I will just show you the techniques which you can follow to improve your speaking skills. So guys, first step is set a goal. Yes, setting a goal is very important thing to learn English language. If you are really ambitious to learn English language and you really want to be expert in English language, then you have to set a goal. Set a goal of 1 year that you have to be expert in English language in 1 year. But if I suggest you have to set a goal of 1 day before setting a goal of 1 year. When you wake up early in the morning, just set a goal that what you have to do, how you have to spend the time today, and which tasks you are supposed to complete today, so you can easily be expert in English language. That's why setting a goal is very important step which I'm telling you. Friends, this was the first step which I told you to set a goal of 1 day or 1 year. And the second step is build a habit. Yes, building a habit is very easy. Just speak every time, learn every time, grow every time. You know what, guys, you have to be disciplined. You do not need to be motivated. Motivation comes and goes. For suppose today you are really interested to learn English language. Today you are completing every task, speaking with your family, speaking with your friends. But tomorrow you are feeling sad, you are feeling lazy, you are feeling tired, and you just want to pass the time. You are not interested to learn English language. That is the motivation. And discipline is, for suppose today if I have completed every task, I was very excited to learn English language. I spoke in English language with my family, with my friends. But tomorrow if I'm feeling lazy, if I'm not feeling to speak in English, but if I push myself to speak in English or to complete every task, that is the discipline. That's why I say choose discipline over motivation, and it is very must. So guys, third thing is learn smartly, not hardly. Yes, it is very best way to improve your speaking skills. For suppose mostly people say that we have to learn full grammar in order to expert in English language, but that's not right. That's completely wrong. First of all, you have to learn basic grammar. Only basic grammar is very important for learning English language. And which is that basic grammar? Basic grammar is learn tenses, learn parts of speech, and learn just models. This is the only basic grammar which you have to learn in order to speak or in order to be fluent in English speaking skills. And for learning basic grammar, I will suggest you just go to the on YouTube and search the Dear Sir course. His course is very perfect. I will suggest you to take his course. After taking his course, you will be expert in basic grammar and you will just start to learn English language. And that is very perfect course which I'm telling you. And the second thing is enhance vocabularies. Now mostly people say we had reading books and newspapers. You do not need to read only books or newspapers. You can also read poetry, articles. And for reading, I will suggest you the best channel on the WhatsApp. Just go on this channel. Here you can see there are mostly poetries and articles which you can read to improve your speaking skills and as well as to improve your vocabularies. Now here which word is unfamiliar to you, just click on that word and write down, just go on the Google and search its meaning. So after that, like this, you can also enhance your vocabularies and you can also complete your reading task. So this is the best way to improve speaking skills, and this is the best way to expert in English language. So guys, fourth step is record yourself. This is very easy but also tricky. You know what? At the beginning time, you will feel difficult, but as you will keep recording yourself, you will feel more confident in just 1 week. Now, what you have to talk in front of the camera if you are reading any kind of story. So after reading that story, just open the camera and talk about that camera, what you understood from that story. And the second thing is, if you are sitting in the park or somewhere, like if you are a student, if you are sitting in the school, what you did in this school, just after coming from this school, just talk in front of the camera that what did you do in this school, which class you enjoyed and which class you didn't enjoy. Just talk about these common things in front of the camera. So you can also be fluent speaker and you can also improve your speaking skills. And this is very important step, last step which I'm telling you. So after recording, watch your video where you are doing mistakes or you are not. Where you are doing mistakes, then work on those mistakes. Improve those mistakes. So like this, if you keep improving your mistakes, one day you will be expert and you can speak fluently. So guys, these were the steps which I told you, and I hope you all got my points and you understood my video. So you know what guys, you have to prove yourself that you have to learn English language before 2026. You have to prove your parents, then you can also learn English language, you can be fluent in English language. So guys, just make it a challenge that you have to improve your speaking skills before 2026. You need to speak fluently in English language. So guys, if you are starting from today, just tell me in the comments that day 1 starting challenge. So we will grow together, we will learn together, and we will speak in English. So guys, we'll catch you in next video. Yours Nasir. Goodbye.